Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So we had FOMC interest rate news this evening for the US dollar. They lowered interest rates by 25 basis points, which unfortunately was definitely not a surprise to the market, which means that it really didn't cause that much volatility. This was going up pretty much all day because, well, first of all, we had pound interest rate today also. But I think really what happened is that the news was already priced in because pretty much everybody knew they were going to lower 25 points, so that made it so there really wasn't that much volatility. The volatility started very early this morning and made a nice wave 3 throughout the day. So I think what we have is a wave 4 and then a wave 5. What I hope happens is it goes up and breaks structure over the next couple of days, but what's probably more likely is it's going to be corrective, like either a wave B or a wave 2, and then probably go up and either break structure for wave 3 or maybe make like a double top thing here and end up continuing the downtrend. So if you see that ABC shape up to a Fibonacci level, you definitely want to go short. If you see it go up and break structure, continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, that pretty much proves to me that the A01 on the higher time frames to the downside is over, and we can comfortably start looking for longs for the wave B or wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.